How to use Google Lens online on laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find Lens option beside microphone. Then open folders and drag your image you want to search. After you drag your image, it will automatically search. If you want to add any title or caption on your search, simply click on Add to your search and add text to ask any question you want. And that's how to use Google Lens online on laptop or PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.